Hello everyone. Today I'm just gonna unbox this beautiful Lancome. If I said it right, sorry if I didn't. Beauty products. So I bought this one only $150 and comes with this free beautiful makeup pouch. Should we open this now? Ooh, wow, beautiful. Nice red bag. Comes with this nice makeup kit with that name in there. Let's see what's I love Lancome products because I drastically saw an effect in my face, and I was very happy with how it turned out. So I used this one toner, I used this one Genific oil, and this is my favorite. It's for removing your what do you call this, eye makeup, especially the mascara makeup. So these all are $150. Let's see what's the color of this lipstick. How do we open this? Push button. Ah, this is so cool. Look at that. How awesome. Wow, that is so cool. Look how it opens. So you push this up and that will pop up, and that's your lippy. You can't choose this lippy. It comes with this package. So it's Blood Ruby. That's nice. And normally only this Genific one, I think this is like $105. So it comes with all of this, and I think lipstick comes with like $59 or something, and that one as well. So it's obviously it's more than 150 in price, but I only got it for 150. But yeah, look at the shades of this. Love it. There you go. There you have it. If you love it, just give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.